Okay, first you need to go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator like so. Okay, in here you need to type sfc /scan now and hit enter. Once it is completed, you need to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health and hit enter. Once it is done, you can close this one. Again, you need to go to search bar, type run, tap on it. In here you need to type md sched like this .exe and tap on OK. So this will repair and fix your memory related issues and test your RAM. So you can just tap on restart now and check for problems. Once your computer is restart and check for problems, you can identify if there is a problem with memory. Then after, you can go to start menu and setting, tap on privacy and security, tap on Windows security. In here you need to tap on open Windows security option. Now you need to tap on virus and threat protection. You can see quick scan option, just tap on to quick scan your malwares. If this error is happened during your Windows installation process, you have to delete that partition using partition tool or Windows setup disk part, and you have to recreate new partition to fix that issue. Then after, you can retry to installation. And again you can go to start menu and setting again, go to Windows update option, tap on advanced options, scroll down and come to the optional updates. So if you see any optional updates available here, you just install all the updates. And other than that, you can right click on the start menu, go to device manager. You can update each drivers manually using right click on that driver, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it is already installed, look, you can see this kind of message. Then after, go to search bar, search for run, tap on it. In here you need to type sysdm.cpl like this, tap on OK. In here you need to go to advanced tab. So in here you need to go to setting under the performance tab and go to data execution prevention. Select the second option, turn on DEP for all programs and services except those are selected. So tap on add option. In this menu you have to add the executable file from the problematic app. As an example, this is the Audacity executable file. Just tap on that application, then after tap on open. Once it is done, you can apply an OK. Again go to search bar, search for run, tap on it. This time you need to type msconfig, hit enter. Go to the services tab, tick the hide all microservices option, tap on OK. And again go to startup option, tap on open task manager. In the startup tab, make sure to disable all the enabled one in the status section. Select the enabled one, tap on disable. Then after, go to search bar, type regedit to open registry editor. Go to this path. First you need to go to HK local machine, then after software, then after Microsoft, then after Windows NT, current version and Windows. In the right side menu, double tap on load app int DLL. Make sure to set it value as either 0 or 1 like this. Then after, tap on OK. And finally you can restart your PC. So these are the methods you can try to fix your issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.